Hello YouTube vintage stereo and tuner restorers and appreciators. Got another Heathkit here. Now this was in a video a little while ago. I was just bench testing a couple tuners. This one and then a Heathkit AM high fidelity tuner. I think that was an AJ13. This is an FM-4 and late 50s, early 60s. They're around for a few years. I picked this up at a flea market for a very reasonable price. And what I liked about was this tweedy cover. It's almost like some kind of leather-bound volume of Dickens or something, you know? That it's a vinyl applique. It's kind of a cool-looking cover, and you don't have to paint it. These clean up so well. If you ever had to paint it, it's not easy. But anyway, we'll try another video here. I took the cover off this and started sneezing. It triggered my allergies, which happens a lot with dusty stuff. Let's just roll it around. So this is a 5-tube mono tuner. This almost looks like a UHF tuner pack from a vintage TV. Very close to it. It's kind of like a miracle that I actually, tested this and it sounded fairly good. But there was a little bit of a bass hum to it, which is understandable. And I'm getting ready to sneeze again, so I'm going to try to keep this short. Main cap is a 100 microfarad cap here. That's the original cap. There's another cap here, smaller one. I think that's a 10. And then a coil hidden there. Tube complement, I believe, is 6BE6s, 6BA6s. I'm not sure what the mixer tube is here. I've forgotten. It's been too long since I worked on one of these. And I'm just going to flip it over so we can see the bottom. Do that. Like that. Get a light on it. So this is not that complex a unit. Couple electrolytics here. And these ones here, these Astrons, I've seen them in Heathkit amps. I've seen them in the AA151, AA32, AA23, a few of those from the same era. They will work, they don't short out, but I'll bet you it's nowhere near its original capacity of 20 microfarads. Anyway, there's another one in here. That's another 20 lower voltage. This one here has a little bit of a melt to it. It's in the AC line, so you might want to address that. These aren't caps, they're coils. Basically, the other caps in it are ceramics, which are fine. You might get a bit of drift in the tuner, but I actually played this one for a while and I didn't get any drift. And then there's a plastic cap with a, it's basically paper and foil cap inside. I'm going to do the electrolytics in it, and let's see how it works. Maybe put the tubes through the tube tester. I don't know, I just would like to try it out through a more modern stereo and see what it's like. I'm also thinking, just for interest's sake, if I could find a reasonably priced Heathkit AC. Well, I can't even remember the number of it now. But the stereo decoder, that was around at that time. And there's a night one that's very similar. There's even a Sansui one that comes up once in a while. Or, just for interest's sake, many, many years ago, believe it or not, I had an FM-4, and I'm talking 1983. And I found in Popular Electronics an actual diagram using, I believe it was an LM1800. Multiplexer chip, and actually made us just a small board that ran on a 9-volt battery, and you took it from the MPX out, and then you had stereo left and right. Don't have it anymore, but I'd be curious to make it. Oh, I can see on this cap over here, it's actually bulging out. Alright, well, we'll get on this one and do another video. Thanks for watching and listening.